Hi everyone, it's me, Mila Rose, and it's time for our August sinking funds. Let's get going. So your parents' anniversary, we get $3 for them. We're at 22, which puts us at 25. So I'd really like to give them, if I can, a 5. And take those 2 ones, which will add a couple of ones, just in case I need them. And that puts us at 25 for them. Get some nice and taken care of. Oh, there we go. 25. I've been thinking a lot about money and kind of how we deal with money. And I think, honestly, out of all the things that I've started implementing to make my money make sense is the envelopes and sinking funds. I do for a couple like large things that I would like to buy. So in this case we have Mom's B-Day, which is at 18. Oh, we have lots of change opportunities here because there's going to get 3. That's going to put us at 21. I'm going to put a 1 down. I'm going to grab this 10, put this 5 down, put these 2, and go ahead and give them a 20. So this should be helpful for a lot of ours. I got distracted. Sorry, I'm trying to talk and add things in at the same time. My father's will be the same. He'll also be getting that 21. So just making sure that that's already on there. Oh, I had done my dad's, not my mom's. Okay, I was like, that's not adding up. But okay, here's Mom's 20, or 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. We'll take those, all of this, except for a 1. Bloop, bloop, and bloop, and bloop. All right, 21 for the both of them. Mom and Dad's B-Day has $3. And what I meant by, and to finish my thought, was that although, I bought a house, so added more debt, still working on, had to buy things for the house, so therefore ended up adding additional debts and things to the debt that I had gotten out of. And so like that cycle has continued, but my sinking funds has stayed consistent. So we have 3 for them. I think I am going to go ahead and add just the $3 just because I'm thinking it'll make it easy for, oh, you know what? Do I want to do that? Actually, I don't, because I'll go ahead and do, they get 6 now. I'll go ahead and keep these because, I don't know, I have so many 1s though. Now I'm kind of like, I want to keep some of these 5s. Let me look and see real quick. Let me look at what's for the next one. You know what? Yeah. Let's go ahead and keep this 5. Let's go ahead and just do the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's go ahead and, sorry, that was kind of messy and all over the place. Let's go ahead and keep that 6 in there. And we can always refer to and get that back if necessary. But out of all the things that has helped me be consistent, not have to worry about things, not have to be like, oh my gosh, where am I going to get the money from that? Where is that going to come from? It's been the sinking funds. Update that to be 6. My sister will get $3, so she'll be at 4. So we've already got her 2020. We already have her 2022, as you can see here. Here's her dollar for 2023. And 1, 2, 3. So we'll be all set. We're already getting started working on hers for that. But I don't know what I'll do for my sister for her birthday this year, if anything. I might just give her the money. I feel like I'm at a point now where now I'm just like, well, I just give them the money and then they can do whatever they feel with it. Because, sometimes, I don't know, people know what they want. They know what they like. I still don't have a Valentine's envelope, but I do have at least a section for Valentine's, and Valentine's is at 30. Is Valentine's supposed to be at $35? I only have what it looks like $30. Interesting. Okay, well, I'll add the 5 that it gets for Valentine's. and we'll go from there. And we'll see if I can locate where that 5 is. I think I might have an idea, but we'll work on that. We'll see what happens. I do now have my 4th of July section and my Juneteenth, which is empty. I used them all up, so $2 for them. And as I said, Juneteenth kind of gets coupled in with summer solstice. And since that's usually on the 21st. And then I use the money that's actually in there for the 4th of July. At least I did this year. So Thanksgiving should have 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. And it gets 15. So there's a 10 and a 5. Running out of 5s. Okay, I'm trying to think if I want to switch out any of these or if they're okay. I think this one is okay. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65. Yay for 65. 165 for Thanksgiving. I still have my usual plans for Thanksgiving, which are to stay at the house, buy myself yummy food, give myself yummy snacks. That's what all this money goes to. Take myself to the movies or something like that. Just like really give myself a little bit of time to relax and take care of myself. Christmas gets 25. We're at 225 so far. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2. 25, and it gets another 25, which would put us at 250. I will be taking these 5s back, and I'll go ahead and give myself a 10, and that puts us at 250. So 250 for that. And then we have 250. New Year's gets $10. So that puts us right at over 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95. It gets a 10. Alrighty. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 105. Don't know what I'm going to do for New Year's. Probably just go out. Probably. I don't know. It's too early to think about that. It's too early in the year. But I don't know if it was just because being stuck inside for the pandemic just was like, oh, I just want to go out and I want to see all the things and do all the things. I don't think I'm going to feel that way this year. So either way, that's everything. So we are done with our first side of our sinking funds. Now that everything's in order and easy to find, it doesn't take nearly as long. So we've got money left over because we got to do our second half, and I will see you all for Sinking Funds Part 2. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Bye-bye.